Siqi Technology Co Ltd was founded in 2001. It is a modern electric enterprise specializing in producing automatic transfer switch, load breaking switch, load changeover switch, mini circuit breaker, residual current circuit breaker, molded case circuit breaker, air circuit breaker, surge protective device, digital panel meter, relays. Since founded, Siqi has established her quality aim: 100% on-time delivery and 100% high rate of quality in one time. The mission of Siqi is to give her staffs a comfortable environment and her customers rest-assured products. It has combined enterprise self-benefits and social needs closely all the time. In the sharp market competition, public recognition, good reputation, and market occupancy of Siqi brand rank the first place. Now Siqi has a staff more than 152 and has obtained ISO 9001 3C certification, and her all goods are insured by PICC of China. Meanwhile, gained many international certificates, including CE, CB. Siqi has established 35 old agents, more than 300 sales networks points, as well as a perfect after-sale service system in China to supply better service for customers. Our products are sold to over 30 countries and areas, including East Europe, West Europe, Korea, South America, Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Africa. Since 2007, we have established close cooperation of production and technology with one World Fortune 500 enterprises, high and low voltage electrical enterprises of Korea, Hyundai, Heavy Industries. We have expanded the international market entirely.